to the PSK dance studio.
6 and 7, go, bam, bam. 2 times, but then we'll have a bent knee here, and I'm leaning to the side like this. So you go 1, 2. But every time you step, bam, bam. 5, 6, here, sit, 5, 6, go, bam, bam. Basic idea, bam, bam. This is basically, now you want to bam, bam. 5, 6, and 7, go, and bam, bam. And this goes 1, 2, 3. So 3 steps. Just from this step, 1, good shape. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 6 and 7. Go. Bam, bam, bam. Watch. Right goes behind. Left goes out. Right stop. Steps. Yes. 7. Go. 1, 2. So put it together down to here. 5, 6, and 7. Go. And 1 and 2. Bam, 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 bam. Again. So you need to extend this as far as possible. So this shows. If it's here, it's difficult to do this. If it's here, it's way better. So from here, 5, 6, and 7, go, and 1 and 2, bam, 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 bam. Good. But bam, 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 bam. One more, 5, 6, and 7, go, 1, 2, bam, 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 bam. 7, go, bam. Perfect. 5, 6, 7, go, bam. So from here to that point, 5, 6, 7, go, 1, 2, bam. Good, chair. Don't keep this hanging. Keep it down. Again, 5, 6, 7, go, 1, 2, bam. Because of the next move, 2. Go crazy and right. You right and me. He's speaking French. You know French? 50-50, okay. So there are 3 moves. We'll go crazy. You right, go watch. So we'll go crazy, we right, and moi. Moi means what?
Me.
Me. Good. So moi, you go back, but now this song needs you to channel your emotions. So I'm not just doing dance moves. You need to act like what do I use? Yes. You know how you want your mom to get you candy and she doesn't, then you get heartbroken. I need to see that. Yes. So when we go bam 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 bam. You just need to channel your emotion at that part. So we're trying to interpret the song as much as possible. So we're not just doing the dance moves, we're also trying to show the emotion behind it. Yeah. Okay. 6, 7, go. Bam, bam, ta ta ta. I think I have to move this way for cutting. 5, 6, 7, go. Walk, walk, bam, bam, stop. Like here, sweeping. So 1, 2. Let's just tap our heels for now. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. Good. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from your knees to your hip to your chest to your head, wave. Ta, 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 ta. And you bring it back. So 5, 6, go. Wave, bam, bam. Bring it back. 5, 6, go. Ta-da, ta-da, bam, bam. Down. And you, ooh. So, ooh. Bam, 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 bam. Good. Go. Bam. 5, 6, go. Bam. Bam. Now, with Afro groove, your leg shakes like this. But yes.
Like when we do this, it's like the Ronaldo thing.
Yeah, almost like it. But this time, because I'm dancing Afro dance, you bam, bam, bam. So there's a tiny shake in between. 5, 6, 7.
Therapist. That is Afro House today.
Yeah, tiny shake. Bam, bam, bam. 5, 6, 7, go. Bam, bam. One more time. 5, 6, go. Bam. You didn't have to bring your hands down. So from here, step, yes, and back, step, and stop. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go, step, and back, step, and stop. And we go up, down. So 1, 2, 5, 6. Go to this has to be in front of you. Eden, this has to be in front of you. So the other one. Yes. So ready? 5, 6, go. Up, down. 5, 6, go. Up, down. Now we're going to the rifle walk. This goes 1, yeah, just 2. 5, 6, go. 1, bam. So from here, 5, 6, go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. This is
I
very
don't do this.
watch. From here, this was in front of you. You did up and down. No turn. Up and down. Now this one goes forward. In switch. Bring forward. No, switch to this one. Right? Then you have this. We go 1, bam. Whoop, stop, wee. Then smash, stop. So from here to smash and stop. 5, 6, go. 1, wee, smash, stop. Smash with this one. And back. Good. So 5, 6, go. 1 and 1, 2, smash, stop. And tap, stop. Tap, stop. So this goes up, down, up.
Yeah.
Yes. 5, up, down, up. Up, down, up. Up, down, up. Up, down, up. So you want to add it with this. Tap. So let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, go. Up, down, tap. Then we have this. This one moves forward now. Tap.
Yes.
So roll, right, and tap. Come and go. 1, 2, bam. 1, 2, and smooth, and stop. Smooth, bam, and down. Wee, and smash. And 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and turn, and 1, and 2, and whoa, come and go. Bam, smash. Hey, ta-ta-ta-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4.